What's going on, guys? Hey man, I have not been on here in a minute. It has been a crazy month here. Been really busy with family events, granddaughter's birthday, Mother's Day stuff every weekend, and it has been raining like crazy here. We've had every week maybe a couple of days with no rain, and as soon as stuff dries out, I got to get mowing done here in my mom's property. She lives about 25 miles away, but been super busy with stuff. But we're going to get out today and hit the road for a little bit. But look, guys, last time that I posted a video, I think was the video where I rode 440, 460 miles, whatever it actually was in that day. I came home, I put the bike up. I'm like, well, I'll wash the bike when I get it out next time before I ride. But I've had it covered up. Hadn't had a chance to ride in probably 2 or 3 weeks. Almost forgot what the bike looked like. But I got it uncovered today. Check this out. Man, this thing is absolutely filthy. I've got bugs splattered everywhere. All over this thing, man. Not to mention it being dusty. Bugs all over it. But it's filthy. It's filthy. But not worried about that. I think I'm just going to clean the windshield up so I can see out of it, and so you guys don't have to look at bugs all the way to Memphis. But we're going to ride up to Southern Thunder today. I'm just going to run up there and get my mileage verified for the 365 ride challenge. And that's really all I have planned today. Like I said, I haven't been able to ride much. And been super busy, man. Some of you guys, if I hadn't seen your videos, commented on them like normal. Apologize, but it's been crazy around here this month. But we'll talk some more about some other stuff later. I'm gonna try to at least get my windshield cleaned up so we can hit the road and go get this mileage verified. So hang around. Guys, pretty windy out here today. Looks like we might find some rain. Pretty dark. Alright guys, pretty windy out here today. Got my mileage validated here at Southern Thunder for the Let's Ride challenge. Didn't have any keywords. They looked. They could look for me, but wind's kicking. But yeah, got that done. So I'm gonna head over here to the sidecar, right over there, and get something to drink. May talk about a plan I got coming up and get back on the road. out there, mileage I got today was 27,271. Alright guys, just got kicked out of the sidecar. Restaurant and cafe. Waiting for that truck to move, had me blocked in. Yeah, guys said they were having some problems with the state or something, so they were fixing to shut the restaurant, cafe, bar, whatever it is down for the day and try to reopen tonight. So I'm fixing to hit the road. Looks like we got radar, looks like there's a good bit of rain coming this way. So I'm fixing to get back on the road, head back toward home. But I've got coming up, if everything works out good, my plans go like I want them to. I'm gonna try to make it down to this coming weekend. This next weekend is the Unleash the Peace run or ride down in Slidell, Louisiana. Just GQ. I'm gonna try to make that. So hopefully everything goes as planned. I'll get to see some of you guys down there, and I'm probably gonna try to head down Thursday after work. And it says it's supposed to be over at 2 o'clock Saturday, and my plan is to head back home Saturday after it's over. But hope to see some of you guys down there. Hope everything works out where I can make that. And yeah, so we're fixing to get back on the road, get back toward the house, and a short video here. Hopefully we'll have some more videos coming. Like I said, it's been raining a ton here, so hopefully we'll be able to get out, ride some more. Maybe the weather will be good for the ride down in Louisiana, and hopefully we can make that. So appreciate you guys watching, and it's weather hold up. Some of the events coming. I got my niece's wedding tomorrow, so can't ride then, but be able to get some more content out soon. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all stay safe out there. Catch you guys in the next one.